Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. In this video I am going to show you how you can use Mathway application for solving math problems. Okay, so Mathway is the world's #1 math problem solver, and it is the smartest math calculator for algebra, calculus and many more math problems. Simply you have to point out your camera and snap the photograph of your math problem, and you will have answer of your math problem. Or you can also type your math problem and Mathway will solve that problem for you. It will also show you the steps of answers, which will be helpful for understanding. So it can be used to get instant help anytime, anywhere. So this application is going to be extremely useful for students as well as for teachers to explore the all possibilities in the math problems. Okay friends, I have already downloaded this application within my mobile phone. So in order to download, you can simply visit Play Store and search for Mathway application. After installing, simply tap on Mathway icon. So the interface will be like this. Okay, so in the top left corner, if you click on these three lines, it will show you the categories of math problems. Any category with which you want to solve your problem, you can choose. Okay, then here you can see the keyboard. So keyboard is consisting all math symbols that are required for working with specific type of problem. Okay, so next to that you have setting button. In setting button you can have option sign in, upgrade, examples. So in examples, they have categorized all basic examples you can explore. Okay friends, now I will show you how we can type our math problem and get answer. Okay, now I will type one equation here. So equation will be x square minus 3x minus 54 is equal to 0. Okay, suppose we want to get answer of this math equations. Okay, it will show us the available ways to solve the problem. Okay, now if I choose solve by factoring, now you can see the answer. So we got 2 factor 9 and minus 6. Suppose I want to know what steps are there in order to get this answer. So simply I will tab here to view the free steps. Now it will show me the price for buying the premium, or I can view the steps for free as well. So it will show me one advertisement. Now you can see the detailed step to get the answer x equals to 9 and minus 6. Okay, so if you want to go in more detail, you can tab for more detailed steps as well. So it will show you all detailed steps. Friends, now I will show you how I will snap the photograph of my math problem and instant I will get answer of it. Simply I will take picture of problem which is written within my notebook. So this plus icon you have to point out on your math problem. Okay, so it will be able to understand and recognize the equation. So here you need to adjust this square as per your equation and click on this button. Now you can see your problem is available. Now it will show you certain ways to solve this problem. So I will choose simplify. So here you can see the simplified expression of x plus y square. So x square plus 2x plus y square. You can also view the steps here. So you can tab here to view the steps of given problem. I will try to show you another problem. Again I will take snap of problem from my notebook. adjust the square here. Okay, so you can see again it is asking for how we want to get our answer. So I will try to choose this first one, solve using quadratic formula. So here you can see the answer, x equal to -1 plus minus 2i. Okay, so if you want to view the steps, you can as well view the steps how they get this answer. So here you can tap for viewing the steps. Okay, so in the same way, like if I go and if I choose like graphing category, so you can see the screen is available with graph. Okay, now if I put any graph equation, it will try to give me its graph. Okay, so if I put y is equals to, let's say, x square, so right now you can see the graph is created. If I put some more value, you can see graph will get changed. Okay, so like this you can understand graphs as well. Now on keyboard you can see this sine cos button here. So if you tab on this, it will show you all symbols, okay, related to trigonometry. Okay, likewise you have all different available symbols on keyboard. Now on every button there are two symbols they have given. Okay, so if you want to consider first button, so there is opening round bracket and at top right corner there is a opening square bracket. So if you want to use this opening square bracket, what you have to do, here besides this ABC button there is this two arrows button. Okay, one arrow is towards left side and one arrow is towards right side. So if you tab on this button, you can see now on first button now square bracket is available, opening square bracket is available. You can switch between symbols like this. You can see certain buttons with black rectangles or squares. What is use of them? So they are used to write any math equation. For example, if I select this button, so you can see in the input box it is showing question mark. Okay, so in this question mark I can enter any value. Suppose I will try to put dx. Okay, and here I will put x square and here I will put y. Okay, so such kind of equation you can prepare with these buttons. One more example from graph category I will try to show you. I will snap the photograph of equation. Now you can see the equation is solved and it is showing the heart shape within your graph. Okay, like this you can take photograph of any math problem and it will show you the answer of same. Okay friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.